welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, I'm back out in the farm working on this BL Mazda 3. It's going to be between the 09 to 2013. Super common problem with these is basically the boot locking actuator. The actual electronic mechanism, the thing that holds the boot lid shut, it stops working. That means you can't open it with the key, can't open it with the button. How the hell are you going to get it open? There is a little way. I'm going to show you how to get it open. If the electronic part of it is broken, then once we've got it up in the air, I'll show you how to remove this old one, put the new one in, get it from Parts Factory, guys. Click on the title of the video, description will pop down. Click on the link, buy it, get it on its way, install it with this video, save yourself some money. That's what we're all about here at Parts Factory, guys, making sure you guys don't get ripped off by the mechanic. Alrighty, let's jump into it. Alrighty, guys, so I'm in the boot of the Mazda. If you look straight through there, you see that white little lever. Pull it to the right, like that, and this tailgate will pop open. We'll get it open, and then I'll show you the next steps. Alrighty, guys, so you got the tailgate up in the air. You will then see you've got these little plastic trims. It's just a flathead screwdriver. I'll go grab one, but other than that, guys, pull these trims off here. They can just pull down like so. Put them out of your way. 1, 2. And get those two, and then I'll see you back in a second. All right, see how I pulled out these two trim bits? Now you can just find somewhere to grab, pull down on the trim like so, come around the edges, keep going like that. Now see just over here, pop this one down just out of the way like so, and the same thing over here. See that trim? Yeah, it's gonna fall away. Guys, you'll have two hands, so you'll be able to do that a bit more carefully. But other than that, guys, you are now here at your boot lock actuator. See these 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. Once we get those 3, if you have a look up in there, you'll be able to see that little plug just there, guys. We can unplug that, get it out, and get the new one in. Let's have a go. Alrighty, guys, so you got your 10 mil on a little rattle gun or whatever. 1, 2, 3. Put those bolts somewhere safe because we are going to be reusing them. All right, so super easy job, guys. This one's been very straightforward, easy to understand. You can then just press that plug in, bang, pop it out. That's your lock there. Grab your new Parts Factory one, guys. Rip her open, and of course it's the same procedure. You tuck it straight up in there like so, bang through the hole, and voila. Of course, I'm not going to put a good Parts Factory one, guys, in this Mazda 3, because as you can already tell, this is a scrap car, guys. This is the wrecker's car, so you guys would just pretend it's the same thing, but in the opposite direction, and go straight up through the hole, making sure you don't crimp down on any other cables and whatnot. I see there's a cable up in there that's going to get in our way. There isn't any adjustment you need to make. It is simply line up the holes, tighten them up. Don't over tighten any of them until you've got all 3 bolts in, because that'll help it center it, if you know what I mean. 1, 2. See how I accidentally tightened that one up a bit too much? Loosen it off a bit. Get that bolt in. Now you've got all 3 in. You're good to go. And then of course, guys, as you can already now tell, it's the same procedure in reverse. We'll get this trim back up. Don't forget to tuck it into these parts first, because at the end of the day, everything else can be done after but that. So we're gonna lift it up, tuck it in, bring these trim pieces down. It is all just like clips, so at the end of the day, guys, it's just all gonna clip in nice and easy, lining up each clip. Once you've got it all lined up, let's give it a nice fit. Of course, you guys are going to have 2 of those one-way pressure clips, so you could just go. Remember, I've only got 1 for some reason. It was already missing. I think I might have done a video on this car before, actually. You can just push it in, press it in. Don't forget, you got those 2 tabs. What do we got? They go in like that. Here you got each side. And boom, guys, you will now hopefully be able to test out your new lock. Run your electronic part of it with your key. Come on up, beep, beep. The thing unlocks, and that would be job complete. Alrighty guys, that's it. Super easy, hey. We're in and out in under 5 minutes. You guys can do it even quicker if you're not doing it with one hand and a camera. So as you can see, that's what we're all about here at Parts Factory, guys. You wouldn't want to be going to a mechanic, paying them an hour's labor just to diagnose what is essentially just 3 bolts, guys. Alrighty, if you have appreciated the video, make sure to give a thumbs up. If you can, sub to the channel. This is a great one to have in your toolkit. You never know when you're going to need to do more repairs on your BLs and on the hookup for all car parts throughout Australia. So definitely give it a sub. It's definitely going to be worth your time. Alrighty guys, don't forget, if you need the part, you know where to get it. Link in the description. My name's Lucas Drabs. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.